Welcome to in front of me Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra, and I'll show you how to increase the fingerprint scanner sensitivity on this device. So first you should go into the settings application and then tap here on the display section. Now just scroll a little bit down, and here you should just tap once on the touch sensitivity. And now when you will use your fingerprint scanner, your sensitivity of the screen will just more better. So that's it, that's how it looks. Saying thank you guys for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.